what you have to do is you add the Prekese. You get these two ingredients to fight fibroid 3 times every month.
Welcome back to my channel, This Plant Lifestyle. Today we're going to talk about Prekese. In fact, this plant, a lot of people have been talking about it, its benefit, its spiritual use, and we have also learned that it's very beneficial. But there are some side effects. If you don't know, it can still be dangerous to your health. Yes, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel, I teach about plants, their herbal use, spiritual use, and how to remove negative energy from ourselves using plants and its parts. Okay, so let's talk about Prekese. Yes, people are claiming Prekese can do this, can do that, can do that. Yes, Prekese is very beneficial. It's a food. It's a food on its own that heals the body. In fact, there are also other side effects that if you don't take Prekese at the right time, at the right dosage, it can also affect you. Yes, let's number one talk about pregnant women. Yes, in fact, Prekese can induce labor. Yes, so in our communities, those people who have or the women that are pregnant that are not able to give birth at their time. Yes, Prekese is used to make a decoction for them to drink because it induces labor at some level or some amount. That doesn't mean that just eating one Prekese during pregnancy will induce pregnancy. That is induce labor. No, at some level, let's say taking 1 cup in the morning, afternoon, and evening can induce labor. Yes, but taking half cup in the morning, half cup in the evening will not induce labor. Yes, so the amount and level you take can also speak about its disadvantage to your body. Yes, taking too much Prekese lowers the blood pressure. Yes, that's why it's very good for people with high blood pressure. It lowers the blood pressure. So people suffering from high blood pressure, if you take Prekese, it is able to reduce the pressure. And if you eat Prekese as your food, it will reduce the blood pressure and you are good to go. So people with low blood pressure, please don't eat much Prekese. Don't eat much Prekese because this fruit is very important to the health, to the heart, to the brain, to the spinal cord, to the liver, to the stomach, small intestine, every part of the body. But wrong use of it can affect you negatively. Yes, so know the right proportion, know the right amount, the time, and your situation before you consume. Don't stand up or wake up and people will be speaking about this fruit, this plant is very important, it's very beneficial. So you can take know your situation before you ask a person who is more into herbal, a doctor, or any person who knows much about herbal remedies. Yes, that's why I have my number on the screen. You can WhatsApp me or write anything you don't understand in the comment section and I'll reply you. Yes, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share to people to also know this, to save lives, because people are dying from medications. Yes, there are a lot of people, they are trying to heal themselves and not knowing they are killing themselves. Yes, we want to heal ourselves, we want to be strong, we want to be resistant to diseases, but at the end, people are killing themselves because of wrong dosage of some kind of medication. And Prekese is very good, but in its large quantity can also affect the kidney. Yes, very high intake can affect the kidney. So please, when you are taking, consult someone who knows much about herbal remedies. You can get just one Prekese, cut it into pieces, add it to your food, cook. It's very good. It's food. It's going to heal you. It's going to be beneficial to the body. But you can't just cut 10 Prekeses into one soup. No. Doing that, you are killing yourselves. Yes, too much of everything is bad. So please, stay away from Prekese if you are pregnant. Stay away from Prekese if you have low blood pressure. Stay away from Prekese if you have low sugar level in your blood. Stay away from Prekese if you have kidney problem. Taking it in large quantity will affect the kidney, but it can also help to remove complications in the kidney, but the right amount. The right amount. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.